Why am I on a skipping rope every day? And why am I doing calisthenic exercises every day? Well, I'll tell you exactly why. Because I'm 60 years old. Will I be able to do what I'm doing now in 10 years' time? Yes, I will. And why do I think I'll be able to do that? Because I'm not going to stop doing what I'm doing. And if you don't start, you'll never know. All take care. Farmer Joe. Calisthenic exercises. You can absolutely do these anywhere. This is me out with Mother Nature when I'm walking my two dogs, Skipper and Tiny. And I love getting down and doing press-ups. I do an average of 500 press-ups a day. And I'm a 60-year-old man. And why am I saying this? Because I want to encourage the younger generation. Even to start off doing 10 in the morning, 20, 30, build it up. I certainly could not do 500 a day last year. I couldn't do 20 reps in a row. Now I've no problem doing 50s. And I love doing calisthenic exercises every day. And look, we have a gym within our own bodies. And if you incorporate calisthenic exercise into your day, you'll never go wrong. Now, as I say, I love doing calisthenics. And I'm going to do it right through my life. I'll never stop. Now listen, all take care. Your diet is 80% of your overall health. If you incorporate calisthenic exercises into your diet, you'll be the healthiest you can ever be. And this is why I always tell people, never give up on yourself. Always put yourself first when it comes to your diet and incorporate some exercise. And as I keep saying to people, it's very, very easy to incorporate calisthenic exercises into your life. And I'll promote this till the day I die. And Farmer Joe, you'll be seeing a lot about me now come 2026. You'll be seeing a lot about Farmer Joe. All take care. Have a nice day. Farmer Joe. All the best. Farmer Joe out with Mother Nature. This is the day of a storm. You'll see the leaves blowing around here. And I always show up for myself every day. See the leaves blowing around. I'm down here doing press-ups. And I'm really, really enjoying what I'm doing here. Why I'm making these videos? Because we're coming to the end of the year now, 2025. And I want to encourage the younger generation, the older generation, the generation in between, female, men. I want to encourage everyone to do a little bit of exercise. As I keep saying, calisthenics is the best exercises you can ever do because you can actually do them anywhere. And I'm just proving with this video here, you can do them anywhere. If you decide to do them in your bedroom, your sitting room, your workplace, you can do them absolutely anywhere. There's no excuses. And you don't have to be killing yourself. I'm down here and I love press-ups. If you incorporate two exercises into your life, if you incorporate squats and press-ups, you'll be in the best shape you've ever been in your life. If you bring a healthy diet on top of that, well look, you won't believe what you'll see. Listen, all take care. Farmer Joe. The end of the year now, 2025. Bring exercise. Farmer Joe. This is me. A skipping rope. Very, very cheap product. If you're buying Christmas presents for your children this year, you know, get to one of the sports shops. Buy your kids a skipping rope. They might be able to skip at the moment. But well, I'll tell you what it does. It'll take them away from screen time. It'll take them away from mobile phones. If you give them a skipping rope, kids are like sponges. They'll take it up and they'll learn how to skip. If you buy them a guitar, they'll learn how to play the guitar. All these digital games and Xboxes and all these things, they're going to make your children lazy, lethargic, and they're going to be eating unhealthy food when they're playing these games. You've no chance of eating unhealthy food when you have a skipping rope in your hand because your two hands are full. You've no chance of eating unhealthy when you give your child a guitar because their two hands are full. Now, make the right decision for yourself, your children, when it comes to doing a little bit of exercise and a little bit of healthy eating. Trust me when I tell you, you won't go wrong. This is me at 60 years old on a skipping rope. I'm going to promote this right through 2026. All take care. Farmer Joe.